According to World Food Programme, over 16.4 million Ugandans face insufficient food consumption, responding to accessibility and affordability challenges, all signs of the growing food insecurity. Besides programs such as the UNDP's Fostering Sustainable and Resilience for Food Security in Karamoja sub-region that intends to emphasize agricultural productivity, research and development has been compounded to address the disastrous of food security crisis. ASARECA, MAIF and NARO are now committed to the science-based approach.
And the science we want to apply in research is creating resilience, having out varieties that yield much and withstand the harsh weather, but also use science in production system for our food. And we are focusing on good genetics for both plant and animal resources. We are also looking at nutrition for both plant and animal resources. We are also looking at plant and animal health to make sure that whatever we are doing is healthy and consumable by our people, and also matching international standards.
The International Water Management Institute's acceleration policy is an extra external resolution platform focusing on sustainable food insecurity. Water Energy Food Nexus is to provide a holistic approach for trade-offs and synergies between affiliate sectors to ensure sustainable development and effective resource allocation.
We work a lot in an accelerator model. That means we promote the acceleration of innovations by supporting agribusinesses, SMEs. We provide scaling grants to de-risking grants, and then we provide the technical support to help farmers, to help agribusinesses to scale those innovations. And we've seen that that really leads to quite a good impact. We see over 200% return on investment for this in these domains that we work, and generally building this resilience and improving livelihoods.
Cameroon-based Agricultural Research Institute further confirms the essence of scientific programs to promote food security. As the approach ensures relevance to development goals, NARO stresses the power of genetic engineering and seed banks to oversee preservation of high-quality production.
To develop the value chain. So during the rainy period, the peak periods where we have a lot of production, what do? We encourage some processing so that we can have a product throughout the year. And then there's the value chain, means that everybody is specialized in a particular value chain so that the level or the income level of all the products along the value chain is well exploited. So the food system, it involves every actor. So every actor is doing what is they can do at their own end to make sure that we have sustainable food in the country.
As Uganda, we are a food secure country. We are food secure. We have the good rains, good soil, and a variety of crops that do well in Uganda. So as NARO, we have contributed greatly through seed production. All the seed that you see being grown in Uganda is through NARO. We have the National Genetic Seed Bank, where we conserve all the seed for rice, beans, maize, vegetables, millet. We conserve them under very good conditions at the gene bank in Entebbe. For the trees, we keep them at the botanical gardens. And also we've gone further and created and established community seed banks in different parts of Uganda, not all across the country, but to some areas have the community seed banks to ensure that farmers have access to the different seeds that are specific to their regions.
With over 72 billion Ugandan shillings lost every season due to inadequate combative measures to food waste and losses, adoption of climate-smart agricultural initiatives remains constantly needed for sustainable agricultural practices. Nimusiima, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.